Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making chicken cordon bleu 3 ways. I'll be showing you how to make them in 3 different ways: air fryer, stovetop, and the oven. For this recipe, we are using 4 boneless and skinless chicken breasts. Place a chicken breast into a freezer bag. Use a meat tenderizer to pound the chicken to a 1/4 of an inch thick. Repeat the same process with the remaining chicken breast. Now season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, and do this on both sides. Besides salt and pepper, we are also seasoning with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Season with onion powder and garlic powder on both sides as well. Now layer 2 slices of ham and 2 slices of Swiss cheese on each chicken breast. We are doing 1 layer of ham first, then a layer of cheese, followed by another layer of ham and another layer of cheese. Then roll them up as tight as you can, just like so. Now wrap the chicken tightly in plastic wrap. Twist the excess plastic on the side to keep it tight. Repeat the same process with the remaining chicken breast. Then transfer into the fridge for at least 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, spread 1 cup of all-purpose flour onto a plate. Spread 1 cup of breadcrumbs onto another plate. In a shallow plate, whisk 2 large eggs. Then roll into the flour to coat. After the roll has been nicely coated, transfer into the eggs. Dip into the eggs, then transfer into the breadcrumbs and roll to coat. If you're making them in the oven, preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Once coated in the breadcrumbs, go ahead and set it aside. Repeat the same process with the remaining rolls. For the oven, lightly grease the bottom of your baking dish, then transfer them to the prepared baking dish. Spray the top lightly with non-stick cooking spray. Now bake at 450 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes or until the chicken is golden brown and cooked through. The internal temperature should be 165 degrees. And if everything goes according to plan, they will look like this. Let them rest for at least 5 minutes before digging in. If you're making them in the air fryer, preheat your air fryer basket at 360 degrees for 3 minutes. Then place into the preheated basket. Spray the top with a little bit of non-stick cooking spray. Air fry at 360 degrees for 17 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and the internal temperature is 165 degrees. And after 17 minutes, remove from the air fryer basket and let them rest. If you want to fry them, add 2 cups of vegetable oil to a heavy skillet. Heat up the oil to 350 degrees. Place the chicken in the preheated oil and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes per side or until the chicken is golden brown and cooked through. The internal temperature should be 165 degrees. After the chicken has been cooked through, transfer into a plate and let them rest for at least 5 minutes. And while they're resting, let's make a creamy Dijon mustard sauce. In a saucepan over medium-high heat, add in 2 tablespoons of butter. After the butter has melted, whisk in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Continue whisking it until all specks of white are absorbed. Pour in 1 cup of whole milk as you whisk. Add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Continue whisking until the sauce thickens, which should only take a couple of minutes. Once the sauce has thickened, remove from the heat and set it aside. So here we have the deep fried, air fried, and baked. Pour the sauce over the chicken and garnish with fresh Italian parsley, and I think now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, chicken cordon bleu, 3 ways. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye.